Good morning, you're Vonzel Hall. And in 24-1747, Mr. Hall is charged with murder. And what is the announcement? Okay. Okay. Right.
Quick legal insight. This one more reset is the judge saying, I'll give you time, but use it wisely. Resets are normal when digital evidence or lab reports are missing, but judges don't hand them out forever. This is basically the final grace period before decisions must be made.
So I'll do one more reset. Y'all can work on that. If there's anything that you can get, obviously get that to Mr. Matuska and Mr. Hall. Mr. Matuska will be out there, I'm sure, to visit with you once he gets everything what y'all want to do. Okay? All right, you can go back with the payroll. Thank you. Good morning. You're Anthony Williams. And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment? Mr. Williams, in cause number 240401, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from December 7th of 2023. How do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with? I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rowe? And do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? And it looks like the agreement...
Pause right here. That's a major deal. A 10-year prison sentence being probated down to 7 years of supervision means the judge is giving him a second chance instead of locking him up. Probation sounds easy until you realize one slip can send you back for the full decade.
is for a 10-year term in prison, but that would be probated. You'd be on probation for 7 years. There's a $1,000 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding? Also, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? Sir, state tenders number 1. It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Williams is not? All right, so I'm going to find that you entered a plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for sentencing so that I can get a pre-sentence report done. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back at a later date for sentencing. You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today so they can start that report, and she's at that desk right here. All right, we'll see you back at sentencing. Yes, sir. Mr. Rojas, you have Theron Jackson. Good morning, you're Theron Jackson. And Mr. Jackson was previously in court, entered pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 in each of his motion to revoke unadjudicated probations. On probation for aggravated robbery, actually 3 cases. An aggravated robbery and then 2 aggravated assaults with deadly weapons. In cause numbers 24-1324, 1323, and 0883. I've received the updated pre-sentence report. This was unagreed, and has everyone had an opportunity to receive that report? Are there any additions or corrections to that report? All right, Mr. Rojas, you may proceed.
Just, Jackson recognized that more probation considers often is, in my opinion, such as any trouble. The new problem is not the health issue, the homelessness, that lack of transportation, that he's got some of the family here. Tells you that when he first released from the he didn't have a place where he didn't have any transportation, that he was not able to, probation department to use. Or, he's been on probation for a short period of time, he's been unable to get the benefit of a resource probation as hard. I understand all that's kind of true. Not extending probation. But again, I think that also be the homelessness and lack of transportation. He is trying to help himself. He does he's very contact with him from MHMR, FDWR, POS, same probation. He tells me he has a folks that are not, he does live in Belmont. He's hopeful to do a job and working for one restaurant.
Hold on.
And of course, that all has been on him actually going through probation.
This is where the human side of the legal system shows. Probation violations aren't always about defiance. Sometimes they're about survival. Homelessness, no transportation, mental health issues, it's a recipe for failure unless the system steps in with real support.
So he does what would allow stay on probation. That's what he actually what you just want to do. How he is going to break.
Go ahead.
Well, my main thing is I'm writing to get things to work. I started my probation on the radio. With you, I'm here on probation. It's in birthday. Ended up eating cell phone and play with all. Found out that I was on probation. And she got help. And I didn't have that kicked out the place. I was saying the same okay. I'm talking with like things that I need to do. You said I was good on that top shit, and I wasn't. I think it was all fine. It was like it. You need to do it one night. For a top shit. Have no around and seeing our top shit and our top shit. We run out. So don't have any weapons or two or some conversation. That the jail conversation. I was reporting that I was supposed to report. You know how to look at the jail, like 3 o'clock. Right, open, right, so yeah, I did not know what to do. So, walked, maybe I waited till the time right. And it was unfair. And I walked through, I walked away from, I told that guy how what time. She's gonna be helping me do it. I was really excited to try to hit my he's talking about in school. Yeah, he's out of top of thing. I had to open the hotel and I ran out of money, but almost out here for me. Yeah. Fine. Anyway, keep that on probation. I'm probably the right thing. This is help anybody. Like I'm a new position. But it's just all right. Right. Yeah. I mean, I'll be trying to stay out to it. I just run up on all the hard times.
Ms. Bonfino?
Well, they're not good, situation. I don't think it's something that is simple, saying, people ongoing, worry and mention. One is giving the opportunity of probation, just like you did to my case law, sleep through, one thing out before, loss, right? Something that her civil, something out was, she just gone, every day on, trying to bring it in, they usually the reasons, trying to add up. How really you can find it? After this, you got to thinking that this would be just what gives the opportunity. It does not convey it to us. It does not do what was said for reason for work. This is higher.
There doesn't, probably haven't even had enough time to know. I guess my question, Ms. Core, would be if I continue him probation, would something like cognitive trying to ISS be helpful, or that, or either special needs safety? Which one do you think would be more appropriate to help him get a good start for you?
I would think that not in this session before.
Okay. Great. I mean, Mr. Jackson, everybody wants you to.
This is the judge's final warning moment, and she is not sugarcoating it. Aggravated robbery plus 2 aggravated assaults? She legally could hand down decades. This is the courtroom equivalent of a life pivot point, the moment where either everything changes or nothing does.
Be successful, but you're the only one that can make that happen. You have all the resources. Core wants to help you. Probation has all kinds of things to help you, but they're not going to come. She's not going to come find you. So, if I give you this opportunity today, you're going to go get some help in custody. And when you're out, though, and when you're finished with that treatment, it's going to be your responsibility to go where you're supposed to go, to let her know where you're living, and she's not going to go try to find you. You don't show up, then you're going to be back in here, and we will not be having these conversations. Today, I could send you to prison for the rest of your life for violating your probation. Right now, today, for life, 50 years, for 30 years, for 20 years. An aggravated robbery and 2 aggravated assaults with deadly weapons. You should probably be going to prison. So you need to understand that this is it. There's no second chance. This is your chance. All right? So I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 in all 3 cases, freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to revoke your probations and find you guilty, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue your probations.
Huge twist. Instead of revoking him and sending him away, the judge chooses rehabilitation over incarceration. The special needs track is a structured program designed to stabilize mental health and living conditions. Translation: she's giving him the tools. Now it's his turn to use them.
Each of your cases, I'm going to order in each of your cases that you enter and successfully complete the special needs track of safety. That's going to give you all kinds of help to make sure when you get out, you're ready to go, and you'll be making better decisions. You won't have any issues, hopefully, with regard to any type of drug or alcohol abuse, and you will also have aftercare, a place to live, and things like that. So you're going to have what you need, and it's going to be up to you. All right. Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with me. Thank you for. Good morning. Are you Cody Dent? And Mr. Dent is on probation in 2 cases, 13-17772 and 22-41052, for the offenses of obstruction or retaliation and theft of property. Those both have motion to revoke pending. And then there is a new allegation or new indictment in cause number 250807 of burglary of a building. And Mr. Samuel,
Yeah, I'm pretty hard. I went out and DC and discussion. And I've also spoken with them this morning. And as a result of my evaluation and talking with me, I believe that to have and some other point here with a professional evaluation, you realize that he is on probation. I realize that he is on. This is our first city that had an opportunity to do discovery. But I think our message discovery and set for bond here at a later date next week, if possible. We need that those from the evaluation show that there is possibly alternatives that are in place.
So it's set for bond hearing today on those motions, but you want some time to get up to speed on that other case. You want me to put that off? Just hold it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
This next week, I'd like to quick around because right now there is no one.
Right.
He needs their assistance.
Okay. An evaluation won't happen in a week.
I understand.
Okay. So you still think give you a week to get up to speed.
Right.
Bond hearing next week.
Right.
And then I'll look at your motion for the evaluation.
Yeah. I'll talk about it.
Okay. We'll reset it next week. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll reset it for 1 week for a bond hearing on those two motions.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. Are you Justin Franklin?
Yeah.
And in cause number 250514, Mr. Franklin's charged with aggravated robbery. Mr. Lewis, what is the announcement?
And now the tension spikes. The alleged victim is the defendant's own wife. In aggravated robbery cases involving family, emotions run high and testimony can flip the entire direction of the hearing. This is where things get real.